Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can visit your friend in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all, you need to open up this watch menu and you're going to scroll down until you find a different shape journal, and then you will see your friend list right here, and here you can see whether your friend is online or not. Okay, and then I'm going to visit my online friend, of course. I'm going to visit this friend. Select the friend that you want to visit, and you can click on visit, and it will bring you to the friend's town. Click on confirm. Okay, it's still loading, guys. If your friend and you are in the same town, you don't need to move to your friend's town. And you will be able to track your friend on the map. Select the map, and then okay, this is my friend's house, and then you can track your friend. Click on the the profile, and then click on track, and you will be able to find your friend's home. Okay guys, and that's how you can visit your friend in Heartopia game. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.